Time now for a look at the Emirates ATP Rankings. And with play underway in London, it's defending champion Novak Djokovic out in front. Great Britain's Andy Murray is in second. Just below him is Switzerland's Roger Federer in third. In fourth, it's semi-finalist last year at the O2, Stan Wawrinka. Two-time season finale runner-up Rafael Nadal is in fifth. Then comes the Czech Republic's Thomas Berdych in sixth. Spain's David Ferrer is in seventh, just ahead of Japan's Kei Nishikori, who's in eighth. In the Emirates ATP doubles race to London, it's the Bryan brothers who are top, just ahead of Roger and Tecau. Then come Dodig and Melo, who are in third place. They're just ahead of the opening day winners Murray and Piers, who are fourth. Then come the Australian Open champions Bolelli and Fognini in fifth. While French pair Herbert and Mahut, the US Open champions, are in sixth. Matkowski and Zimonjic are seventh. And in eighth, it's Papana and Merger.